The dual paddles and rings were carefully designed by Pulse to offer a groundbreaking innovation to the PEMF industry, never experienced before: the push-pull effect. The paddles and rings are Pulse originals, allowing users to sandwich joints, extremities, and other body regions to target specific spots efficiently. The Cube's deep field produces PEMF immersion without a bullseye, creating new and immersive possibilities for pulsing the head, torso, feet, and back. With the Cube, there's no need to double stack accessories to reach deep regions of the body. The Cube pushes more energy into a square foot area than any other Pulse accessory. Whether using the Cube as a pulsing pillow while you sleep, or to pulse your legs in energy after an intense workout, it may become your new favorite accessory.